this video I will be demonstrating the workflow of our module CR Moneris payment integration. After installing the module, you need to set the credentials in the payment provider and activate the payment provider. For that, you need to go to website, configurations and payment provider. Here you can see this, there is a Moneris payment provider. We have all the configurations already set and we have the test mode active because the credential we are using is for testing purposes only. So here when customer comes to shop and adds anything to their cart, we already have 2 items and we will be adding the 3rd item also. We have this through 3 items added in our cart and we confirmed it. We have all this delivery related details, and when we confirm this, we have the selection of payment method. Currently you can see this, I have these 2 cards saved over here, and in the other payment method I have the Moneris unsaved and the new card details option. I will go with this other payment option and we click on the payment. Now it will open this wizard. I will add the card details. And when we click on the checkout button, it will process the payment through Moneris payment provider and navigate back to our Odoo with the particular success, failure or any other messages. Specifically, there is another part that saving your card details also. We will go to that, but before that I will be showing you like what if the customer wants to cancel or don't want to pay for this. Like they have reached this page, selected this method and clicked on the pay now, and the Moneris wizard has been opened, and they feel like adding something or cancelling this, they can simply just go back over here. So this is a useful part, that in the Odoo the user do not need to manage the cancelled sale order, bulk of the cancelled sale order. Also now we will be going for this saved card related part. So we have these 2 cards saved, and how it is done I will be showing you that. In the payment provider Moneris, we have this allow saving payment method check. When this is checked and you go to the payment method, currently we have this 2 saved over here, and when we click on this another payment method, we can see this, the new boolean has been appeared with the message that save my payment details. There is an information given below in the blue line that keeping this ticked will securely save your card information for faster checkout. So I'll keep this checked and click on the pay now. I'll add the card details, like let's just so this is the testing card details that we will be using, and checkout. Now if customer comes with another product in the future and they want this card details to be used, they can use that. So previously we had this 2 added, and now we have 3222 card added. Means previously we are having this 2 card details saved, but now we have this also. And if this any of this is saved card details is selected and we click on the pay now, it will fasten up the checkout and the payment process using this particular card related flow, and it will redirect back to the Odoo with the success phased. Okay, so this was something regarding the portal side or the website side flow. What if the customer or the sales team has created a order from the backend? Say like we are adding this particular two products for as an integer, okay, and we saved this order, okay. So we also validated this deliveries for this, and when the invoice for this particular sell order is created and confirmed for this particular invoice, when customer pays, here is a manual payment method option. From here you can have the Moneris and create payment. So this will show up you the payment for this particular order, and it has all the details prefetched accordingly. Now this was the backend related part, that backend team has created a sell order and invoiced, and the customer wants to pay through Moneris. Now let's take an example that sales team creates a order for, let's say this time let's take the deco addict with the acoustic block, and we keep the corner desk right, and the same thing, the deliveries has been created, has been validated, okay, there is quantity, okay, this particular product is not available. So let me just go back to previous record and just duplicate this record and confirm this. We have this cabinet with door and conference chair. You click on the deliveries and validate the deliveries, create invoice, regular invoice, and we have confirmed this invoice. Now the invoice has been confirmed, but the customer pays from the website, or the customer is someone who is the portal user, do not have access to the backend, but still they can pay from the website itself. So we have this particular invoice, we will be copying this. Say for an instance that portal user goes to their portal account, and then they will be seeing only this interface over here. So when they go to your invoices, and this was the invoice that we were searching for, okay, this is the invoice, okay. When they go to that particular invoice over here, this is the invoice that we are seeing in the backend, and we click on the payment, we can see this, that we have this particular 3 saved card over here. They can either pay using this or can have another card also. So we will go with this MasterCard and pay now. So basically with this save card, the process will be fluent, they will be directly redirect to the success, and your payment has been successfully processed. So this was all regarding the payment workflow of our module, and now you must be worried about what will be the flow for regarding the refund process, like how would I handle the refunds. So for an instance, we have this particular invoice, we will find the payment transaction that has this particular invoice. So let's just keep it as a reference, we have this payment as reference, okay. So you can say this payment is confirmed, there is an this transaction has been created, you have this particular payment, provider is Moneris, has this reference, payment token saved, everything fell. When we go to this particular payment, we can say we have the saved payment token, transaction, Moneris as a provider and all, they also have this reference also over here. So just for an instance, the customer has requested for the refund, the backend user or you as an admin can click on this refund, like they have the fully, if there is a fully refund, it will be kept, amount will be kept as it is, and if there is any another update, like we only need the 73 to be refunded. We edited it and we click on the refund. This will create a child transaction for the transaction that has been created. So you can say this: a refund request of 73 has been sent, the payment will be created soon. Refund transaction reference is this particular reference. Okay, I will copy this, and again you can say this: the transaction with the reference this particular for 73 has been confirmed through Moneris. Okay, so when we navigate back to the transaction, you can say this, we have this child transaction over here that has the reference that we had copied with this 73 as an amount, and we have this refund button showing up over here. When we clicked over it, we have this particular transaction showing up. Where this refund transaction is showing, this is the exit in the payment transaction itself. When we navigate back on the tree view of the transaction, we can say this: we have this retransaction of that particular that we had copied. Okay, so this was all regarding the refund part. So this was something like we have partially refunded, and if we are going to refund the rest amount too, like we have 73 already refunded and still we have 100 to be refunded. So when we click on this and we again create and refund for this will again create a child transaction of the 100 in the payment transaction itself. You can say this: the 100 and the 73. We have the two transaction reference. Okay, we have this two. So this was all regarding our module, the Moneris payment provider module, that has been integrated with the Odoo, handling the payment and refund and saved token or the saved methods for your card. Thank you.